how to fix Monopoly Go freezing. So I'm going to show you a few different methods. For the first one, you just want to load up Monopoly Go. Click on the three lines in the top right corner. Then here we will go into settings. And what you want to do is untoggle this option for the vibration. See if that fixes it for you. If it still doesn't fix it for you, what you have to do is completely close Monopoly Go. Then go into your phone settings. Here you want to search for iPhone storage. Just like that, click on iPhone storage. Find Monopoly Go from the list of applications here. Click on Monopoly Go. And then what you'll do is offload the app and then reinstall it. This is going to keep your progress, so don't worry. Afterwards, if it still doesn't work, the last thing that you can do is delete the app altogether and reinstall it from the App Store. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.